How to delete PS4 account 2020. What's going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your PS4 account for this year. As you can see, I got the PS4 home. I'm at the PS4 home screen behind me. You know, no biggie. No biggie. Say it with me. No biggie. But anyway, if you like bananas and apple cream pie, then watch this entire video, okay? So that you don't miss out on anything. Now, look. To delete your PS4 account is very simple, very easy. I'm not even going to make this video long and hard, all right? Just do everything I do in this video and you should be good to go, okay? And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, like for real. Come on, man. A thumb up. I ain't even gonna say nothing else. Let me just tell y'all what to do. First thing you need to do, step one, grab your PS4 controller and log into your PlayStation account. So let me get my PS4 controller. There it is. Grab the PlayStation controller for me, bro. I got you. It's all good. You got your PS4 controller, right? All right, this is what you do next. What you want to do now, log in to your account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account, right? It's Hemi Jarvis. If you look at the top right there, you can see I'm logged into my account. Now, this is what you're going to do once you logged into your account. Go up to the settings menu. So push up and then go to settings. All right, let me see. You said go up to settings. All right, go up. Settings. Settings is right here. So I go right there. Yeah, go right there. Boom, hit X. Now what? All right, so this is easy. This is simple. This is easy. This is simple. Now what you're going to do from this point, you already in settings, right? I said you're already in settings, right? This is what you're going to do next. Listen, it's pretty simple. It's very, very easy. Listen, it's pretty simple. Listen, it's very easy. You like Grand Theft Auto? I don't either. Listen, go to account, go to login settings. You see it right there? Where login settings? Yeah, login settings. All right, let me go to login settings then. Login settings. Right here? Yep. Now what do I do? What do I do now, man? All right, so let me tell you what you do now, man. So now you in login settings, right? So you just went up there. Now you in login settings, right? If you like bananas, then go buy one tomorrow. But now you in login settings, right? So this is what you're gonna do next. You in login settings, right? Yes, I'm in login settings. Okay, this is what you're gonna do. You see that? See what? You don't see that? See what? Go down. Go all the way down. Come on. Stop playing. Go down. Like, quit playing. Come on, you get serious right now. You see that? What, user management? Yes. Come on, man. You know what to do. User management. Go to user management. All right, so I go to user management. Let me go down to user management. All right, so I'm on user management. Now what do I got to do? You see that? See what? Hold on. You see that? See what, man? I'm looking at the screen. What do I see? What that say? What do it say? Create user. The one below it. Delete user. Come on, man. Of course. Come on, man. You know you got to go to delete user. Come on, man. You going to do me like this? Go to delete user. That's how you delete. That's how you delete your PS4 account, bro. Come on, man. Sister. Come on, man. You do this to me, man. You do this to me. I'ma have them playing basketball in Pelican Bay when they finish with Bay. They do this to me. I'm joking. Go to delete user right there. Okay, delete user. All right. Now what I do? All right. I said all right. All right. You ready to know what to do next? You really want to know what you got to do next, don't you? Do you really? You really want to know? Look. Pick the account you want to delete. Do you want to delete Hemi Jarvis or Hazan? I'll delete Hazan. I don't think I'm really using it no more. All right then. Go down. Pick the account you want to delete and delete it. All right. You ain't gotta tell me twice, Hazan. Hazan it is. Now, the following user will be deleted from your PS4, Hazan. If you delete the user, that user saves data, screenshots, and all that. Okay, delete. So go over to delete. Hit X. As you see, it says all applications in use will be closed. Hit yes. What did it say? The user will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? Hit yes. User deleted. Okay. Okay, what do I do now? That's it. That's all you had to do. That's all you had to do. Why are you making this easy? You sit in the couch and minding your business anyhow. Why don't you do something that's going to change your life? I'm joking. Look, you see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Do you see that? What did it say? Well, it said that I deleted the account. The user was deleted. Well, there you go. There you go. Bada boom, bada bing. Now, can you do me a favor? What you need done, man? Man, can you do me a favor? What you need done? I need you to give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you want to. It don't matter to me. But give it a thumbs up. Help the channel grow. Come on, man. Did I not just help you out right now? I mean, you did help, so you know what I'm saying? But, you know, come on. Come on, man. Quit playing, man. Did I not just help you out? Matter of fact, show me what I just taught you. Give me a summary. All right. So, this is how I delete my PS4 account. What I did was I went up to settings. I hit settings. I went to log in settings, right? Okay. Then I went to user management. Then went to delete user. Then I picked the user that I wanted to delete and I hit delete. Is that right? Is that right? Was I right? Come on, man. Of course, man. Of course you're right, man. So, does this mean that I deleted that PS4 account? Come on, man. Are you asking me? Come on, man. What are you asking me, man? Come on, man. Like what? Do you like chicken tacos? Do you like nuggets? Do you like McFlurries? No? Come on, man. Tell me you don't like McFlurries. Come on, man. You want a burrito? Do you want a burrito? Come on, man. I mean, I wouldn't mind a burrito. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let me tell you something. I like burritos, man. But if the burrito don't taste like a church chicken sandwich, if the burrito don't taste like crab legs, then it's not a burrito. Come on, man. You and I both know this. If the burrito don't taste like a soft taco, come on, man. Then what is it really? Then what is it really? If the burrito don't taste like a chicken sandwich, then what is it really? Come on, man. Come on, man. Look at the TV one more time. So tell me what we just did. How did I delete that account? How did I delete my PlayStation 4 account? You went to settings. You went to account management. No, you went to, come on, man. You know what I went to. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't do this to me, man. Don't do this to me, man. Come on. You want a soft taco, don't you? You like soft tacos, don't you? Then don't do this to me, man. You know what I did, man. What did I do to delete the account? You went to account. You went to settings. Okay. And then what did I do? You went down to login settings. Yeah. And then what? You went to user management. Okay. Then you went to delete. Well, that's it. That's all you had to do. That's all you had to do. That's all you had to do, man. Now. Come on, man. Now. Did you, come on, man. That wasn't hard, was it, man? That wasn't that hard, was it, man? You like Fortnite? I mean, Fortnite is pretty cool. Do you like Fortnite? Yeah, I like it. That's good. That's good, man. That's really good, man. You know how to play Fortnite? Yeah, I know how to play Fortnite. That's good. That's really good, man. You good at Fortnite? Yeah, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty decent. I like that. I like Fortnite. I like Fortnite. Fortnite. You know what else I like? What do you like? Knowledge. Come on, man. Nah, I'm going to see you in the next video, though, man. Give this a thumbs up if it helped you out at all. Hopefully it did. Come on, man. I know it did. Come on, man. Subscribe if you want to. Come on, man. And I'll see y'all in the next video.